Here's a really quick little tip. It'll take about 20 seconds to show you, but this is a really, really useful one. So if you're like me, your chat GPT history looks something like this, which is a real pain. Lots and lots and lots of different chats, absolutely everywhere. So particularly for me, because I build a lot of custom GPTs for people, so my testing is quite a mess. So there's a nice little feature in ChatGPT called temporary chat. Very, very useful. So we come up to the model selection up the top here, click on temporary chat, and then you'll see that the message bar turns black. So that tells you that you've got a temporary chat. So I can then have a chat and that won't be saved to my chat history. So really useful for just once-off tasks you know you're not going to do again. Or I use it for I use it also sometimes for testing prompts for custom GPTs. So nice little tip. Hope you enjoyed.